The sun rises over the valley of LaLa, casting its golden light upon two armies locked in a stalemate of fear. Among the trembling Israelites, one stands apart, not clad in armor nor burdened by fear, but strengthened by the unshakable hand of God. This is the story of David, the shepherd who would stand against the might of Goliath.
Is there none among you with courage? None who dares to face me? Your God has abandoned you. Your warriors are cowards.
I will fight you.
You, a child, unarmed, untested? Do you take me for a dog that you come at me with sticks? I will feed your flesh to the birds of the sky and the beasts of the field.
You come against me with sword and spear, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty, the God of Israel. Today he will deliver you into my hands, not by my might, but by his will you shall fall, and all the earth will know that there is a God in Israel. Father, you have led me from the pastures to this battlefield. Not by my strength, but by your power shall this day be won. Let my hands serve your will. I will crush you, boy. Your bones will splinter and your people will weep. Not by the sword, not by the spear, but by the power of the living God has this battle been won. Strength is not in might, nor victory in numbers, but those who stand for truth, for love, for their families, for their people, and above all, for God, will never be defeated.